Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to jump-start Toyota Yaris Hybrid 2021. Start by ensuring the hybrid system is off and parking brake engaged. Open the hood and locate the 12V battery or designated jump terminal. Attach red cable to positive terminal and black cable to a clean metal ground, not the negative battery terminal. Start the donor car, then start the Yaris when powered. Disconnect cables in reverse order and close the hood. Begin with both cars turned off and parked safely with hoods open. Connect the red cable to the donor positive, then to the Yaris positive or jump terminal. Connect the black cable to the donor negative and a solid metal ground on the Yaris chassis away from the battery. Start the donor for 3 to 5 minutes to charge the 12V system, then start the Yaris. Remove cables carefully in reverse order and secure everything. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more practical car tips. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs well with budgeting for car maintenance. I find it simple and surprisingly motivating, especially when planning for repairs or emergency funds. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Always prioritize safety when jump-starting a hybrid vehicle. Keep sparks, open flames, and smoking well away from the battery area. Confirm cable clamps have firm contact and avoid touching clamps together during the process. If you see swelling, leakage, or smell strong fumes, stop immediately and seek professional assistance. After successful start, drive for a short time to recharge the 12V battery or arrange a battery check to prevent repeat problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.